ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ್ ಬಂದು ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೋಮಾನ ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಆಗ ರೋಮದ್ದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅವರಣ್ಣ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅವಳು ಬಿದ್ದ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಳ ವಸ್ತುಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಹುಡುಕಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ನಾಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಅ ರೈಲ್ವೆ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿ ಅಶ್ಯೂರ್ಡ್ ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ್ ದಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಮಾಸ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಬೀನ್ ಫೌಂಡ್. ತುಂಬಾ ದೂರ ಏನಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ರೈಲ್ವೆ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಅವರು ರೈಲ್ವೆ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವಳು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೌ ಆರ್ ಯು ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ರೋಮಾ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಓಕೆ ರೋಮಾ ವಿಸ್ಪರ್ಡ್. ಆಗ ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ್ ಬಂದು ರೋಮಾ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಹೌ ಆರ್ ಯು ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್, ಇವಾಗ ಹೇಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದಾಗ ರೋಮಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ, ಈಗ ಬೆಟರ್, ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ. ಇನ್ ಅ ಫ್ಯೂ ಡೇಸ್ ರೋಮಾ ಮೇಡ್ ಎ ಫುಲ್ ರಿಕವರಿ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದಿನಗಳ ನಂತರ ರೋಮಾ ಫುಲ್ ರಿಕವರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾಳೆ, ಹುಷಾರಾಗ್ತಾಳೆ. ಐ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ವಾಟ್ ವುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಡ್ ಇಫ್ ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡಂಟ್ ಬೀನ್ ದೇರ್. ಆಗ ಅವಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ, ಐ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್, ನನಗೆ ಊಹಿಸ್ಕೊಡಕ್ಕೂ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಅಂತ. ಶಿ ಸೇಸ್ ಅಮೇಜ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾನರ್ ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಶಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಬೀನ್ ರೆಸ್ಕ್ಯೂಡ್. ಅವರು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ಇವಳು ತುಂಬಾ ನೆನೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಖುಷಿ ಪಡ್ತಾಳೆ. I think it's astonishing that a stranger would jump off a train and risk his life for me. I can never repay Baleshwar. I can never repay Baleshwar ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ನನ್ನಿಂದ ಯಾವ ಪ್ರತ್ಯುಪಕಾರವೂ ಮಾಡಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಿಲ್ಲ. I am new to Mumbai but I have noticed that people here are afraid, says Baleshwar. ಆಗ ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಟು ಮುಂಬೈ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಮುಂಬೈಗೆ ಹೊಸಬ್ನು, ಆದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ನೋಡಿರೋ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆದರ್ತಾರೆ, ಭಯ ಪಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎ ಜಾಬ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಅವನ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನ ಹುಡುಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ದೇ ಫಿಯರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರಾಪ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಪೊಲೀಸ್. ಅವ್ರು ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆದರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಕೇಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕೋರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಭಯದಿಂದ ಯಾರು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. So why did he do it? She needed help. ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ್ puts it simply. ಆಗ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನೀನ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂದಾಗ ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, she needed help. ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. That day it was Roma. ಆ ದಿನ ರೋಮಾ ಆಗಿದ್ದು. Tomorrow it could be you or me by the tracks. ನಾಳೆ ನೀನು ಅಥವಾ ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಹತ್ರ ಬ್ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಲೋನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಹತ್ರ ರಕ್ತ ಗಾಯಗಳಿಂದ ಒಂಟಿಯಾಗಿ ಬೀಳ್ಬಹುದು, ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಪಾಠದಿಂದ ನಾವು ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದೇನೆಂದರೆ ಪರಿಚಯವಿಲ್ಲದವರಿಗೂ ಸಹಾಯದ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇರುವಾಗ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಎಂದು. ಈಗ ಈ ಪಾಠದ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಉತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಸೀನ್. What was regular about the scene? Answer, the scene of commuters getting out and into the train coaches in a rush in a regular scene in the India's most populated metropolises. The line suggests that the people and the city are too busy. Next question, Roma Talreza tried to settle into a corner near the door in the train. Was she right in doing this? What would you have done if you were there? No, she was not right doing this. She lost her teenage foothold and panicked. If I were there, I would have settled in the safe place in the coach. Next question, Behenji up TK, but there was no response and no help inside. Why was it so? Answer, because she was by the tracks senseless, unconscious. There was a large wound behind her head and blood was flowing out of it. So there was no response from her. Coming to the next question, give the details about Roma Talreza. Answer is, Roma Talreza was a BCom graduate from Pune. She was working as a call center executive. She loved her job, talking and connecting to customers and making new friends there. Her brother was Dinesh Talreza and she was engaged to her fiancé Vijay. Coming to the next question, it is give the details about Baleshwar Mishra. Baleshwar Mishra was an unemployed high school dropout. Recently he came to Mumbai and he is staying with his two brothers. Why didn't the on-duty physician give only first aid to Roma and not the treatment? The on-duty physician could not do the basic first aid. The on-duty physician could only do the basic first aid to Roma as the facility lacked personnel and equipment. Coming to the next question, how did the truck driver help Baleshwar? The truck driver helped Baleshwar to carry Roma to the small hospital and the Divine Multi-Specialist Hospital in quick time. He also gave his cell phone to Roma's brother Dinesh. Baleshwar felt that people of Mumbai were afraid. What were they afraid if according to his opinion? Answer. Baleshwar felt that people of Mumbai were afraid of getting trapped in the courts or with the police, so they were callous to the strangers even at the time of accidents. Now next it is the extracts of 3 marks. Read the following extracts and answer the questions that follow. Here we have some extracts, so that ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ extract questions ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ನೋಡೋಣ. It's a regular scene. It's a regular scene. First question, what is the regular scene referred here? First question, what is the regular scene referred here? Answer is the people swarming into the train and getting down hurriedly in populated metropolis. Second question, where can one find this regular scene? Answer, that is in metropolis. Do you think this is necessary? If not, why? No, it is not necessary. If the people rush like that, the children, women or aged or handicapped may fall from the train. Coming to the next, there is a girl by the tracks. The voices cried out. Here the first question comes, who is the girl mentioned here? Here the girl is Roma Teresa. Whose voice were this? Second question, whose voice were this? These were the voices of people in the opposite train. And coming to the third question, why did the voices cry out? The people saw Roma falling from the train on the tracks. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, take the girl to Airoli, suggested the cop, but Baleshwar disagreed. Why did he do so? ಇದರ ಉತ್ತರ, Baleshwar disagreed to take Roma to Airoli because Airoli was at least 10 kilometers away. Baleshwar thought that he had to go to nearest hospital for the treatment of Roma. Next ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, was Baleshwar right in asking Roma her name while she lay in a critical condition? Justify your answer. ಈಗ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಉತ್ತರ, yes, Baleshwar was right in asking Roma her name in the critical condition. It helped him to inform her relatives about her condition. ಮುಂದಿನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, Baleshwar had a good memory. Do you agree with this? Give examples to support your view. ಇದರ ಉತ್ತರ, yes, Baleshwar had a good memory. He memorized Dinesh's cell phone number. ಮುಂದಿನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, the doctor at the Divine Multi-Speciality Hospital admitted Roma without any formalities. What made him do so? ಇದರ ಉತ್ತರ, the doctor Anil Agarwal admitted Roma to the ICU at the Divine Multi-Speciality Hospital without formalities because she was injured seriously. ಮುಂದಿನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, if Baleshwar had not come forward to help Roma, what would have happened to her? ಇದರ ಉತ್ತರ, if Baleshwar had not come to help Roma, she would have bled to death. ಮುಂದಿನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, how did the truck driver help Baleshwar? ಇದರ ಉತ್ತರ, the truck driver helped Baleshwar to carry Roma to the small hospital and the Divine Multi-Speciality Hospital in quick time. He also gave him cell phone to Roma's brother Dinesh. ಮುಂದಿನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, Baleshwar felt the people of Mumbai were afraid. What were they afraid if according to his opinion? ಇದರ ಉತ್ತರ, Baleshwar felt that people of Mumbai were afraid of getting trapped in the courts and or with the police, so they were callous to the strangers even at the time of accident.